Hey guys, it's the Cajun Boy here, and I'm making a new video on how to install a CPU into a motherboard. So the first thing you're going to want to do for this is unplug your heatsink, and then you're going to want to remove it. And now your CPU socket will be exposed, so you're going to want to undo this pin. And now you take your CPU really carefully and you match up on how it is on the CPU socket to the CPU. So this one will go in like this, and then you close this off, and your CPU, you put your CPU in like that, because you gotta make sure it's in there, so you gotta move it around, and then you put your heatsink back on, and now you just install the RAM and you're good. Thanks for watching.